Bonjour, in this video, we are going to see how to orient oneself in a city. Montreux, la statue de Freddie Mercury is devant le lac. So this devant means in front. The statue is right in front of the lake. Devant is in front. L'église de Sion, dans le canton de Valais, est au centre de la ville. The church is in the city center, au centre de la ville. At the center, it is located at the middle or at the center of something, so it is located at the center of the city. Then the next one, dans les villes suisses, le tram circule sur la route à côté des voitures. In the cities of Switzerland, the tram circulates on the road beside the cars. So this tram is on the road sur la route, and beside the cars there are cars beside it. Beside, à côté de, I had already explained in the previous slide, and sur, on. Le jet d'eau at Genève est au centre de la ville. The fountain at Geneva is at the city center. Again, we have the same preposition here, au centre de, which means at the center of. Cet hôtel est devant le parc, à côté du lac Léman, près du centre-ville de Lausanne. This hotel is in front of the park. Devant is in front. À côté du lac Léman, that is beside the Geneva Lake. Then there's près du centre-ville de Lausanne, which means beside the center, beside the city center of Lausanne. La statue de Charlie Chaplin se trouve à Vevey sur l'esplanade devant l'alimentarium. The statue of Charlie Chaplin is found at Vevey on the esplanade in front of the alimentarium. So this is on, sur is on, devant is in front. Le pont de la Chapelle à Lucerne est construit au-dessus du lac. So the bridge at Lucerne is constructed above the lake. So here we have a new preposition, au-dessus de, which means above. But if we had au-dessous de, which is S-O-U-S instead of S-U-S, then it would have been below something. But since we have the au-dessus de, it means above the lake. Le château de Chillon est au bord du lac Léman, près de Montreux. So the castle is on the shore of the lake and beside this place, that is Montreux. So au bord du means at the edge of, or the shore of the sea, or here in this case we have the lake. So on the shore of the lake. And près de, I had already explained, près de is beside, near, I mean. Le musée d'art à Neuchâtel se trouve au centre de la ville, entre la rue des Beaux-Arts et l'esplanade Léopold Robert. So the Museum of Art is found at the center of the city, between the streets of Beaux-Arts and the esplanade. So again, we have the same prepositions, au centre de, which is at the center of, and entre means between. Cet hôtel suisse est à côté de la rivière dans la vallée. This hotel of Switzerland is beside the river and in the valley. À côté de means beside, and dans is in. Les montagnes sont au-dessus de l'hôtel. The mountains are above the hotel. If it had been au-dessous instead of sur, that is S-O-U-S instead of S-U-S, it would have meant below. Le train de la Furca rentre dans le tunnel. The train goes in the tunnel. Il traverse la montagne entre le Canton du Rhi et le Canton du Valais. It crosses the mountains between these two places. And traverser is a verb. It's not a preposition, but it can be used to tell directions. That is to cross something. And entre is between. Ce tram circule sur un pont en Suisse. This tram circulates on the bridge in Switzerland. À droite de ou à gauche de plus nom masculin. So whenever we have a masculine noun after à droite de or à gauche de, we will change it to à droite du or à gauche du, because de plus le becomes du. And in this case, when we have a feminine noun, it will change to de la, because de plus la is de la. And in case of a vowel, we will use de l apostrophe, because de plus some vowel, whichever it is, l apostrophe, it becomes de la. À droite de ou à gauche de plus no pluriel. And when we have a plural noun, that is de plus les and something, we will use they, because de plus les becomes des, they. Même chose pour les prépositions suivantes. It's the same thing for the prepositions given below. En face de, au bord de, à côté de, au-dessus de, ou au-dessous de, au centre de. This means in front of. Au bord de means at the edge of. À côté de is beside. Au-dessus de means above. Au-dessous de means below. And au centre de is at the center of. Pour les prépositions suivantes, sur, sous, dans, devant, derrière, entre, since there's no a or the after these prepositions, we simply use le or la, le ou les. Exemple, sur. La tasse est sur la table. The cup is on the table. Sous. Le tapis est sous la table. It means the carpet is below the table. Le train entre dans le tunnel. The train enters in the tunnel. L'hôtel est dans la vallée. The hotel is in the valley. Notice that we are not using the contracted forms, but instead the definite articles. Devant ou derrière. L'hôtel est devant le parc. La banque est devant la poste. The hotel is in front of the park. The bank is in front of the post. We could have used derrière also had it been behind. The hotel is behind the park. L'hôtel est derrière le parc. La banque est derrière la poste. The bank is behind the post. C'est fini. If you liked the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more French grammar videos. Thanks for watching.